Hey, it's cool we jump in front.
Hey, if you don't ride a wheelie all the way across town.
You can see all the people back there, man. This gonna be dope. What's up, girl? You looking good? Every little scrum diddles. As my man Dude Mongers would say, you looking scrum diddly, girl, scrum diddles. Man, you looking good. Why Jack Be Quick don't want to race you? I don't know why he don't want to race you, man. You should ask him. I think he low-key scared. Last time he came, you know what I'm saying, he stood me up. Then this time he faked the whole oil leak thing. He faked the whole thing, man. It was staged. So I don't know why he don't race you. I think he's scared of you. We gonna get him one day. Anyway, I'm playing. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Man, shout out to my man Jack Be Quick and Dude Mongers. I'll post their Instagram and right there and YouTube channel down in the description of the video. Today I'm actually about to get ready to go out on a group ride here. My first time going to this group ride. It's in Dallas. I was supposed to get up go early this morning, but I got tired and didn't want to get up, so this one actually starts at noon and it's 11:31, so we got time to get there. Mainly sports bikes, but just a cruise, nothing crazy. Let's go ahead, get started, and I'll see y'all in a second. All right, guys, so what's up, boss? Give y'all a quick view of all the bikes that just got here. So we got a CBR, R6, like another R6, pull up, got a Gixxer. I think he leaving. Oh yeah, he coming. Got a CBR 1000RR. This thing is gorgeous. Like the wheels, got an R6. I rode this guy before too. Actually, two other R6, CBR 600. Got the HP4. And let's see, this is nice. I love the HP4. Full exhaust, I'm sure. Titanium. Not sure what this is. I think it's a Katana. Maybe. Got another Gixxer. Got an R3. Hayabusa. Gixxer. Harley. I'm sure what type of body it is. It's nice though. Love the way it's look. My S1000, ZX14. Another Gixxer back there in the back. And then you got the Hayabusa matte red back here. So should be a good ride. Like I said, I'm pretty sure we got some more people that's gonna show up here in a second. But anyway, I'll catch y'all when we get out on the ride. Alright guys. We about to get ready to leave out right now, man. We got a pretty big group here. Pretty big group. What's up, boss? Hold on. What'd you say?
What year is that?
16?
Really?
Yeah. Is this 08?
11.
11. Okay, I love the CBR, bro. Appreciate it, man. Huh? Yeah. We got quite a lot of people here, man. We got a pretty good group of bikes. Show y'all, we got a Z. Oh, we got about 40 bikes out here today. We doing a highway ride, and then we're gonna go some back roads on the way back. So it should be a good ride. Y'all sit back, enjoy the footage, enjoy the ride. I'm gonna pull over, get to the back, so I can get some footage real quick for y'all. Everybody, man, so y'all can see. It's about to be lit. Yeah. I'm about to hop in, man, go on the other S1K. Yeah, man, we got this boy riding, baby. I don't think I can sell my bike, guys. I thought about selling it, but I don't think I can, man. I love riding, man. This group ride stuff even be better, bro. So anyway, y'all sit back and enjoy the footage. We gonna have a good one. I got here on the S1K. I rode with him a few times. So last time I rode with him, he's the one who caught my radiator leaking last time. So he has an S1K. I think he says Acura headers mid pipe with the SC Project slip on. It's dope though. So anyway, we gonna ride out. You know what I'm saying? You can see all the people back there, man. This gonna be dope. Look at this dude on blue. Ooh, that R6 loud. buddy. Hit neutral. I do every time. I accidentally hit neutral, man. Yeah. Oh, get it up there, baby. Okay, I see you. Yeah, baby, we out here to ride, baby. My man bike is loud as hell, bro. Hey. Ah, they tripping. Alright, so they playing around a little bit in traffic, man, but I don't think I'm doing that. Traffic a little too thick. Yeah. Oh, no, you good. We deep out here, man. For real. Alright, I think I got everybody. We got about 40 bucks out here, man. Like I said, y'all can see everybody. The Jix is standing up. Got somebody riding 2 up right here. Okay. On the CB Jixer, look like. Man, I'm telling y'all, this is what the bike life is all about, baby. This right here is what it's all about, man. Yeah, this is dope. So right now it's a lot of traffic, so it's hard to really kind of get out and open it up, but y'all just enjoy this. Let me go up in gear. Bike getting hot. But dude on the CBR is he was talking earlier, man. Yeah, that dude right there is funny. That's all I'm gonna say. He funny as hell, bro. Oh, you got guys way up there acting dumb. Oh, they acting dumb. Oh, no sir. I done got a little wiser in my time, man. You know what I'm saying? They acting dumb. R6. Yeah, buddy. And it's funny to see people's reaction when they see a whole bunch of motorcycles. Everybody be looking like, oh shit. Like, what the, oh damn, I got caught in that groove right there. That was a bad. Wish this car get out the way. Woo. One. Woo! Okay. Woo! Okay. Harley. Woo! Ooh, that's P4, bro. All right, catch up real quick. got a CBR and a Jixer. Woo. oh, I got you. Alright guys, so my damn fan keep coming off. We out here, man. We out here. Look at my boy Carlos. Yeah, it's here. Chilling. Oh, they racing, getting it. Okay. They still out here racing. Got everybody pulling up. Some of you boys is moving out here. Yeah. Whew. We really gonna get it on these back roads. See what these boys really can do. They was flying on these straights. Yeah. Okay. Y'all see the scene? Yeah, we got some nice bikes, man. Yeah. R3. Yeah. I remember you from the last ride, huh? I remember you from the last long time ago. We went out to Fort Worth, and then they got separated, and we came back. Yeah. I looked out like, damn, I know that. And I saw the exhaust, and I knew, like, oh, I remember he had the exhaust up there. Okay, what's up? Nah, I was chilling, man. Yeah, they were gone. I was like, I'm just chilling back here today. Did they? Yeah, it was too much traffic, bro. I mean, we got right here on this side was pretty cool, but yeah, I was chilling. The bikes, man. This dude that was calling me out, that was 1,000. Yeah, it's 1,600. So, yeah. All the way down, so y'all can see. Huh? You say what now? Yeah, I forgot about it. Go in front of him? Yeah. I think, ask him. Yeah. Hey, it's cool we jump in front.
Hey, if you don't ride a wheelie all the way across town,
he can do it. Appreciate it, bro. Man, it's a long line of bikes still coming. Yeah, yeah. I see the last guy, so we should be good.